Hello children, very good morning. I hope you all are watching video lesson and completing your assignment. Children, in our ninth chapter, we had completed direct proportion and inverse proportion. Today, related to that, we are going to see that if we are putting money in partnership, then how much profit or loss we will get, and if we are getting profit, then how we will share that money among our friend with those who has investment money in the property. And in that, when starting a business enterprise, money is required for an office, raw materials, etc. This amount is called capital. Whatever money investment we are doing in partnership, that one is called capital. Often, two or more people put in money for the capital. In other words, these people start a business by investing in the partnership. In a business partnership, all partners have a joint account in a bank. So, the profit made or loss incurred is shared by the partners in proportion to the money each of one had invested. So children, related to that one only, today we are going to see our exercise 39, question number first. So first question is, Suresh and Ramesh together invested 1,44,000 rupees in the ratio 4:5 and brought a plot of land. Then first we will write total capital. Total capital equal to 1,44,000 rupees. Next one, next statement, after some years they sold it at a profit of 20%. Profit equal to 20% equal to 1,44,000 upon 20. 20%, 20 upon 100. Then 20 cancelled from numerator and from denominator. 220 we had cancelled. After that, whatever remaining zeros are there, here 10, here also 10, total 20. After that, multiplication of 144 into 2. 2 4 are 8, 2 4 are 8, 2 1 are 2. Means we got 28,800 rupees. Profit we got 28,800. Now here they invested, or their investment proportion is 4:5. Investment proportion of Suresh and Ramesh is 4:5. That is 4x and 5x. So children, here 4x plus 5x equal to total profit. Then 9x equal to 28,800 divided by 9. X equal to 9 3 are 27. Then 9 2 are 18. 9 0 are 0. 9 0 are 0. So children, if you want, you can divide 28,800 divided by 9 and you can see whether you are getting 3,200 or not. So children, after completing the value of x, we will find the individual profit of Suresh and individual profit of Ramesh. So first one, profit for equal to 4x, that is 4 into 3200 equal to 20 as it is. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. 12,800 rupees profit Suresh got. After that, profit for Ramesh equal to 5x, that is 5 into 3200. Therefore 20 we will write as it is. After that 5 2 ja 10, 1 carry, 5 3 ja 15, 1 16. 16,000 rupees. So children, here what question is there? What is the profit each of them got? So profit for Suresh equal to 4x, that is 4 into 3200, 12,800, and profit for Ramesh equal to 16,000. I hope you all understood. Now question number second. Question number second. Virat and Samrat together invested 50,000 and 1,20,000 rupees to start a business. They suffered a loss of 20%. So children, write down first statement. First statement is investment by Virat and Samrat. Total capital of Virat and Samrat equal to 50,000 plus 1,20,000 equal to 40 and 40 as it is. We are going to put. After that 5 2 7 and 1. 1,70,000 rupees. After that, their total capital is 1,70,000. After that, they suffered a loss of 20%. Their loss equal to 20% equal to 1,70,000. 20 upon 100. 20% given. Therefore, this one we are going to convert it into percentage. When we will convert 20%, this symbol, then we are writing 20 upon 100. So children, 20 cancelled from numerator and denominator. Then here how many zeros remain? 1, 2, 3. Then 17 2 jar 34. They both got loss of 34,000. After that, what we want? How much loss did each of them occur? Each of them, how much they got loss from 34,000? Write down proportion of their investment. Proportion of their investment equal to 50,000 upon 1,20,000. 40 cancelled from numerator and denominator. After that remain 5 upon 12. Therefore, we have 5 upon 12 we got. After that, what we will do? Virat investment equal to 5x. Samrat investment equal to 12x. We will add both these. 5x plus 12x equal to 34,000. 12 plus 5, 17. 17x equal to 34,000. X equal to x equal to 34, sorry, x equal 34,000 upon 17. 17 2 ja 34 and 30 as it is we had put 2,000 rupees. Now each of them how many rupees they will got the loss. What we will do? 5 into x. Virat got loss of 5x equal to 5 into 2,000 equal to 10,000 rupees. After that, Samrat got 12x loss. Therefore, 12 into 2,000 equal to 24,000 rupees. So children, while writing, listen video properly and after that you can write because the board is fully occupied by question number 2 only. And where we have to move, after listening only we can come to know. That's why. So children, here how many rupees Virat got loss and how many rupees Samrat got loss. Then common loss they got 2,000 rupees. Therefore Virat got loss of, he has investment 5x. That's why 5 into 2,000, 10,000 rupees lost Virat got and 24,000 loss Samrat got. So children, question number 3. Sweta, Piyush and Nachiket together invested 80,000 rupees and started business of selling sheets and towels from Solapur. Sweta's share for the capital was 30,000 rupees and Piyush is 12,000. At the end of year, they had made a profit of 24%. What was Nachiket's investment and what was his share of the profit? So children, here question number 3. Question number 3. Third one, investment by total, first item total capital equal to investment done by Sweta plus Sweta, Piyush and Nachiket. So children, total capital equal to investment done by Sweta plus Piyush plus Nachiket. Now Sweta's investment is given 30,000. Sweta's investment is 30,000. Piyush's investment is 12,000 and Nachiket's investment is not given. We are going to find out, but total investment is given 80,000. So children, here we will add both this number 30 as it is 2 and 0. 2, 3 or 1, 5. 42,000 plus Nachiket equal to 80,000. Then Nachiket investment is 80,000 minus 42,000. So children, here subtracting 42,000 from 80,000 we will get 3 0 as it is. After that 0 minus 2 not possible. That's why we will carry one number. Then it will be 10. 10 minus 2 8. After that 7 minus 4 3. 38,000 rupees. Means Nachiket's investment has done 38,000. After that we want what was his share of the profit. They all got 24% profit. Therefore we will write profit equal to 24%. Therefore our Nachiket investment is 38,000. Therefore 38,000 into 24 upon 100. 2 0 cancelled and 24 0 ja 0. If you want, you can multiply 380 multiply by 24. That is 4 0 ja 0, 4 8 ja 32, 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 3 15. Then 2 0 ja 0, 2 8 ja 16, 2 3 ja 6, 1 7, 6 5 11, 7 8 9. Write down 9 1 2 0. So children, Nachiket investment is 38,000 and profit got 24%. Therefore for Nachiket, question is there, his share of the profit is, write down his share of the profit equal to rupees 9120. So children, I hope whatever we had completed you all understood. Now question number fourth. Fourth one, A and B, two partners is there. They both investment has done and from that they got profit of 24,500 rupees in the proportion of 3:7. So children, we will write investment total capital, question number 4. Total capital equal to investment profit got by A and B. After that they got profit of 24,500. Their proportion, we will write their proportion equal to 3:7. That is 3x plus 7x. Therefore children, 3x plus 7x equal to profit here 24,500 rupees. 24,500. So children, addition of these both 10x equal to 24,500. X equal to 24500 divided by 10 equal to 2410 will cancel, 2450 rupees. Now they both investment has done and after that they got profit of 2,450. Then by each one of whatever profit they got, we are going to find out. Then profit got by A, profit made by A equal to 2450 and 3x. And how many percent profit? 2% profit given. Profit got by A, 2,450 into 2 upon 100. So children, here 1 0 we will cancel. After that 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. Then 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20, 5 9 ja 45. Answer 49 rupees. Next one is given here. Profit got by A equal to, that is, first what we will do children, here 2450, and after that we will do this one. First we will find out this one, 2450 rupees. Investment money, welfare fund, soldiers welfare fund. What was the actual amount given to the fund by each of them? Each of them gave 2% of his share. Then from that, how many, first of all, profit we got 2450. From that, what we will do, how many investment they both has done, that one we are going to find out. Then by A equal to 3x equal to 3 into 2450. 3 0 ja 0, 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12, 13, 3 2 ja 6, 7. So children, investment done by A equal to 7350 and investment done by B equal to 7x equal to 7 into 2450 equal to 7 0 ja 0, 7 5 ja 35, 7 4 ja 28 plus 3 31, then 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17,150. So children, from here A and B, they both are giving separate amount for soldiers welfare fund. Therefore we will write 2 per profit, or here we will not say 2% of his share. Then we will write A and B is giving soldiers welfare fund, is giving or donating money for soldiers welfare fund equal to soldiers welfare fund equal to, here 7350 into 2 upon 100. Then 1 0 cancelled, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, first 5 1 ja 5, 2 3, 5 4 ja 20, 3 5, then 5 7 ja 35. What we did, we had cancelled 7350 into 2 upon 100. Then children, we will rub first line from here, then we will understand. Then fund given by A, fund given by A equal to 7350 into 2 upon 100. 1 0 cancelled, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. When we will divide 735 divide by 5, you will get 147. Same sum, this one place was not there. That's why I have done that sum up. So children, here fund given by A is 147 rupees. Now fund given by B equal to 7, that is 17,150 that B has investment done, then divide by 100. 17,150 into 2 upon 100. What you will get? First 1 0 will cancel. After that 2 1 are 2 and 2 5 are 10. Then 1715. 1715 divide by 5. We will get 5 3 are 15. Then 2 1. 5 4 are 20. Then 1 5. 5 3 are 15. So children, font given by B equal to 343 rupees. So here we had completed 4 questions of practice set 39. Question number 5th, you will try by yourself. Here what is given, children? In question number 5th, all that the 4 partner is there and they investment had done. 4 investment they had done, and in that what they had given, Jaya, Seema, Nikhil and Nilesh put in all together 3,60,000 rupees to form a partnership, with their investment being in the proportion 3:4:7:6. What was Jaya's actual share in the capital? You are going to add both all this proportion equal to 3,60,000. After that you will get 20x. Addition of all that you will get 20x. Then profit you are going to find out 3,60,000 into, and after that whatever amount profit they got 12%, 12 upon 100. In this way you will solve and you will find out profit made by Nikhil. So children, I hope today whatever we had discussed you all understood. You will see the video lesson and you will able to answer or you will solve the sum. So children, take care of yourself. Be happy, healthy and take care of yourself. God bless you. Thank you.